In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create unequal splits in Splitwise. This is really helpful anytime people don't all owe the same amount, like when one person ordered more food, someone didn't drink, or one friend covered a bigger share of a group purchase. I'll walk you through the process step by step so that, by the end, your expenses are divided exactly the way you want. First, open your Splitwise group where you want to add the expense. On the group page, look for the button that says Add Expense. It's usually near the top of the screen. Go ahead and click on Add Expense to start creating a new bill. A new expense window will appear. Here, you'll want to fill in all the basic details of the expense. Enter a clear description like dinner at restaurant or grocery run, so everyone knows what the charge is for. Then type in the total amount that was spent. Make sure the total is correct, because all the splits will be calculated from this number. Also, choose who paid for the expense from the list of group members, so Splitwise knows who should be reimbursed. You can also adjust the date if needed, and double check that the right group members are included in the split. By default, Splitwise usually assumes that the expense is shared equally. You'll see an option that says equally or something similar in the split section of the window. Click on this equally area to open up more ways to divide the bill. Once that menu opens, look for the option to split by shares. There will be an icon or a label for split by shares. Click on that icon. Now you'll see each person in the group with a field where you can assign shares instead of exact amounts. The idea is simple. The total bill is divided according to how many shares each person gets. For example, if one person should pay twice as much as another, you can give them 2 shares and the other person 1 share. Splitwise will automatically convert those shares into exact amounts based on the total cost. Take a moment to adjust the shares for each participant until the split matches what you agreed on. When you're happy with how everything looks, scroll down and click on Save. This will save the expense with your custom unequal split and update everyone's balances in the group. That's all you need to do to create unequal splits in Splitwise.